Aquafilter Quest. We will present our panel board in experiments labs. I'm Gabby, the leader.
I'm Cloud, the speaker.
I'm Miguel, the timekeeper and documenter. I'm Basti, the materials manager and secretary.
Clean water is vital because we use it for many things like cleaning and drinking. We can filter water by making our own water filter. Activated charcoal is the best for filtering because it removes toxins in the water.
The water filter purpose is to remove impurities in the dirty water so that we can be able to drink it.
Our hypothesis is that the water will be a little dirty but mostly clean because of the activated charcoal. It's because it's powdered and it purifies the water. The materials used in the experiment are 22 OG cups, sand, gravel, coffee filters, activated charcoal, rubber bands, cotton balls, dirty water, 1.5 liter bottle, tape, scissors, and tin cloth. The panel board materials are 1.5 illustration boards, blue coloring materials, ruler, pencils, marker pens, and a photo of our DIY water filter.
Another decorator. These are the designs for the first and final experiment. This is the procedure we followed for the first experiment. First, put sand in the 1.5 liter bottle cut in half. Then, put activated charcoal on top of the sand. Next, put gravel on top of the activated charcoal. After that, put the charcoal on top of the gravel. Afterwards, put gravel again on top of the activated charcoal. Finally, put cotton on top of the gravel.
For the procedure for the final experiment, first put sand on the 1.5 liter bottle cut in half, then place cotton on top. After that, put gravel on top of cotton.
These are some photos on how we did it.
For the first experiment, we observed that the water wasn't clean and it took a long time to go down because of too much activated charcoal. It was dirtier than the final experiment. For the second experiment, we observed that the water was clean but a little dirty. It took some time for it to go down. It was cleaner than the first experiment.
It was successful because we were able to do comparing to which is clearer. The first experiment was completely black and dirty, while the final experiment had a big improvement.
We therefore conclude based on our final experiment that the cotton removes the large particles of dirt, which is the most effective material since the activated charcoal was not used.
What we learned is that if we put too many materials in the water filter will take a long time to go down. So it's best to put the best and enough materials for filtering to make it more effective.
Do you have any questions? Yes?
What kind of theory did you put?
Oh, wait, let me see. For the first or final?
For the first one or final? The difference. The difference. You explain.
Oh, for the first one, we used more materials, but for the final one, we lessened the materials so it was better and shorter to go down. Yes?
Did you enjoy making it?
Yes, I know. Because we had to do it quickly, but it was fun making it in Ottawa. Yes, it was special. Any more questions? Yes, Myron. I was happy that it was successful and it was pretty fun to do. Yes, Asia?
What was the first thing you added in the first one?
Sand. Okay. Any more? Okay, none? Okay.
Alright, let's give them a round of applause.
Thank you for listening.
Oy, yan pala kayo. Nakaharang kami.
Alright, thank you, Cooler Filters.
Ano masasabi mo sa kolokoy mong anak?
Ang gulo-gulo niya. Gusto ko siya kurutin. Gusto ko siya kurutin.
Yung katabi niyang groupmate, mukhang kinurot na eh. Ganun itsura pa. Ganun itsura niya araw-araw, hindi mapakali. Hindi ako yun. Ako, nakikita ko naman sa kanya, full of energy lang talaga. Hindi niya ma-regulate. Ano? Sakto.
Music!
Problema dito, parking talaga.
Oo nga.